KineMaster versus Vita, which mobile video editor is better? Choosing the right mobile video editor can completely change how you create stunning videos without complicated tools. Both KineMaster and Vita offer powerful features for editing on the go. KineMaster and Vita are popular mobile video editors designed for quick and effective video creation. The core difference lies in KineMaster's advanced multi-layer editing versus Vita's streamlined, user-friendly interface focused on fast social media content. KineMaster is a full-featured mobile video editor that supports multi-layer video, images, stickers, text, and handwriting. It works by offering a timeline-based interface where users can precisely trim clips, add transitions, and apply effects. Its strengths include powerful layer control, chroma key support, and extensive asset libraries. KineMaster also supports 4K video exports and detailed audio editing, making it suitable for creators who want professional-level control on their phones. However, its complexity can be overwhelming for beginners and requires a subscription to remove watermarks and unlock premium assets. Ideal users are content creators, vloggers, and semi-professional editors who need detailed customization without switching to desktop software. Vita is a mobile video editor designed for quick, creative content with minimal effort. It features an intuitive interface focused on simplicity and speed, allowing users to trim clips, add music, text, and stylish filters effortlessly. Vita works by offering preset templates and easy drag and drop tools, ideal for social media stories and short videos. Its strengths lie in fast rendering, a variety of trendy effects, and no steep learning curve. However, it lacks multi-layer editing and advanced features like chroma keying, limiting complex edits. Vita is perfect for casual users, social media enthusiasts, and anyone who wants polished videos quickly without technical hurdles. Comparing KineMaster and Vita highlights a trade-off between power and simplicity. KineMaster excels in projects requiring multi-layer editing, detailed effects, and professional audio control, ideal for creators producing polished videos with intricate edits. Vita shines when speed and ease of use matter most, making it perfect for quick social media clips and casual editing. While KineMaster demands more time to learn and a subscription for full features, Vita offers a straightforward experience with fewer advanced tools. Choosing between them depends on your editing needs, detailed control, or fast, stylish video creation. Choose KineMaster if you need professional-grade editing with multi-layer support and advanced features on mobile, especially for detailed video projects. Opt for Vita if you want a fast, user-friendly editor for creating stylish social media videos without complexity. Both apps serve different purposes, so pick the one that fits your workflow best and start creating impressive